Today I'll be showing how I make my little ribbons here that you can pin it and wear it on your shirt. This is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Okay, for this project you will need some pink yarn, and 4-ply. You will need a crochet hook and you will need a big eye needle, and you will need a pair of scissors to cut your strings and some fabric glue. Okay, first you're gonna create a slip knot. So I usually just wrap it around my fingers like this, and I take this tail end, slip it through the ring here, and just pull it through, and that makes a slip knot. You're going to chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and it should look like this. Okay, we're going to do single crochet. We're going to skip the first chain here. I'm going to skip the first one, and you're going to go into the next single crochet. I mean the next chain, sorry. You're going to single crochet all the way to the end. You're going to go into the next one. This is the hardest row for me. Go through your chain, yarn over, pull through 2, go through your next chain, yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to go in all your chains. Go through your chain, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. You're going to do all that all the way to the end. Go through your chain, yarn over, pull through the 1 working loop, and then pull through the 2 at the bottom. I'm going to finish all the way to the end. This is single crochet all the way to the end. Okay, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the last 2, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the work, then pull through the last 2. You're going to go through your chain, stitch, and then you're going to yarn over, and then you're going to pull through the work, and then you're going to pull through the last 2. Like I said, you're going to go all the way to the end. All the way to the end of it. So you keep going on and through all chains, yarn over, pull through the work, then yarn over, pull through the last 2 chains. You can go all the way to the end, and this will create a crocheted piece of work where you can create a ribbon with it. Oh, I think I got that tail in there. I'll wrap it back around.
You ready in my
Myself. You go through all your chains. That little tail keeps getting in the way. Okay, I put the hook back in there. And go through the next one. Got a little mess up there. Then you got one more, go through that one. And then you're just going to fasten it off. So you're going to I'm just going to fasten it off on the end. Okay, and then we're going to just cut it. And fasten it off. Okay, and then it should be looking about like this. It should be looking about like that. And this is an easy project. And then you're gonna weave in the ends here. You can take your little yarn, your little needle, and weave these in. It's a really quick project. You're just going to weave it on in there like that. And then you're going to take your other one and weave that, then put that through the eye of the needle, thread it. Oh, I messed that one up. It's hard to get it through the eye of that needle. I need a bigger needle, I think. Let me cut that off. Maybe that might help. It's a shraggedy there. Okay, then you're going to weave this one in through the back side. I'm going to weave it in, and then it's going to look about like this, and then you can cut these strings, these long strings off that you weaved in. And then it should look about like this with no strings hanging on it. And then you're going to try to make it look like this here. You're going to try to fold it where it'll look like a ribbon, like about like this. Okay, let me even it up. Even the sides up about like this. I usually even it up, and then I just cross it like this. And that looks like almost about right. And then take some of your Fabric Tack Permanent Adhesive Glue. And you put a little dot right here for how much you need. I only put about a little dot. It sticks it really good. And that should be about enough. Glue, I hope. If not, I'll add some more to it. And it should look about like this, and then let the glue dry. And then you get your little pin, a little safety pin. I did have some in here. Get your little safety pin about like that. One of these little safety pins. I got a small one. Then you're going to put it in the back so you can wear it. You can pin it on your shirt. And it should look about like that in the back. It should be about like that. And that's the front. And the glue, see how good the glue sticks? It adheres it really good. I like that glue. That way I don't have to sew it right there with the sewing needle. I just used a, I'm going to put this on there so I don't. Use that glue as good glue for fabric. I just want to say thank you for all who subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Thanks for commenting, and thanks for liking my videos. I just so blessed to have you all on my channel, and thank you very much, and have a great night.